Welcome back, dear students, for the part 2 of our history lesson in the earliest cities. We have already started the lesson in part 1, and in part 1 we have discussed about how the earliest city, especially Harappan civilization, Indus Valley civilization was found. It was found by the rail when the roads or the railway track was being made that time. Then we have discussed about what are the special characteristics or features of this civilization. Some we have discussed in part 1. We have discussed about what type of houses they used to have. Then we have discussed about what material they used for making the houses. Then we have used about how the city was divided into 2 or 4 parts. Okay, and some of the other things that we are going to discuss today about this lesson. So let's begin. Today we will be discussing about life in city. The life that was found in the city around Harappan civilization, Indus Valley civilization. Okay, so if you look at the people, or if you want to divide the people in the city, so these can be divided majorly in 3 groups. How many groups? They were divided into majorly 3 groups. One was rulers. The rulers were rich people and they were ruling, those were powerful people and these were ruling the area. Okay. It include rulers, it include rich people, rich merchants. They were doing the export-import business. These rich people were living and these were found in one part of the city. I told you in the previous part. And how was their life? Their life was luxury life. Means their life was luxurious. They had, we can say, a very comfortable thing in their lives. So what were the comfortable things? They had a good type of food. Then even they had precious things. Precious things is precious means what? Valuable, which have the more value, or we can say expensive thing. They used to have different jewelry. They had jewelry, different type of ornaments they had. Jewelry they used to wear. Their clothes were quite rich in the, we can say, quality. So these people were rich, their houses were luxurious, their life was luxurious, and they were living a very comfortable life. Which people? The rulers. The next people which were found in the Harappan civilization, cities. I am talking about cities, I am not talking about rural areas. These scribes, who are the scribes? These people who knew how to write. These people know about how to write. But write means not on only paper. So, that time people were expert in writing on the seals. You know, seals, they are found in Harappan civilization. These people use seals or decorative items, or even they use on different material. They use different material to write or draw the pictures. Even they use on the pots. They used to draw, or we can say write on the pots. They used to have designs on the pots. And they used to have designs on different seals. And different materials which were created that time. These people were expert in, we can say, in carving and writing, or we can say drawing on such materials. Okay, perhaps they wrote on different other material also. So we know that these people were using copper, they were using silver, they were using bronze, tin, and even beads were used. To different material these people were using, and for that reason they were they were taking help of this type of people to write or make design on that, we can say pots and different things. Then next one were craft persons. Which were the craft persons? You know, this civilization is famous for one more reason, that is making clay pots, or they were making clay, or we can say toys. Terracotta, this type was mostly done. They were using terracotta, and terracotta is used to make the different toys. They had used a special kind of, or we can say, clay. Terracotta, if you have seen the Chinese crockery, now also Chinese crockery is mostly made up of terracotta. Then these people were specially making terracotta toys. Terracotta, I told you, terracotta is kind of, you can say, clay from which different things were made. They used to make the pots, but the pots were different from the pots which are made now. They were very, we can say, colorful. They used to have the colors to their pots, and that pots were very colorful, and it had designs of different things, like the designs of, we can say, some flowers. Then they had design of different leaves of the trees. Okay, and they were baked very properly, so that it will make, we can say, stronger. So even they use different material, and these three type of people were mostly. It doesn't mean that only these three type of people were living in the city. It means there were number of other people also, but most of the people were busy or they were involved in such type of works. So what materials were used by these people that time? Metals. Metals were used. So what metals were mostly used? They used stone to make the things. Shields they used. Then they used copper. Even they used bronze, gold, silver, beads and weights. So all these things were used for making different things. Even different, we can say, statues or statues are found of these things, like we have found the copper statues, or we have found some bronze statues which were made in that time. So it means that people were expert in making different things. They were making different things from these type many material. Even they had weights. Nowadays we have weight machines. We have if you are going to a grocery shop or vegetable market, you will find the weights. Even these people, Harappan people, also have used the weights, and their weight were square size, and they were very perfectly created. So even they have used to make the weights. Then next is peons. This material is found in that area, and this material was used to make different things. You can see this type of things were made by this material, so it was quite interesting for them to make such type of things that were found. Next, new crafts in the cities. So these are the examples of people who are making different things. You can see they have made different images. Okay, they have made toys, and this is a bronze statue which was made where it was perfectly made. They have different type of material used here. You can see different material, bronze, they have used gold, they have used silver, they have used tin, they have used different metals to make the things. So these people were expert in using different things to make. Even we can see the beads, we can see different clay pots. These people were expert, and these all things were exported to other countries. These things were exported. It had great demand in other countries also. They were exported, and import was done, and these things were sent to other countries. Next, so how they used to get the raw material which was required to make the things. In search of raw material is the next point. So what raw material they used to get mostly, and from where they were getting. So as you look at the cotton, even they have made the clothes from the cotton. So local, it was available at local. In that area, cotton was produced, so they were getting cotton from that area only. So copper, tin, gold, silver, and precious stones were brought from the far away countries, or we can say from the other countries. These things were brought mostly from the other countries. Even copper was getting in the Rajasthan area, the area which is now in Rajasthan. That area was also getting copper for these people to make the things. Tin which was used for the bronze was getting from Afghanistan and Iraq. These people were getting tin which was used for making the bronze things. That was coming from Afghanistan and Iraq. Gold was from Karnataka. Precious stones were getting from Gujarat, Iran and Afghanistan. Okay, then food in the city. What people used to eat in the cities? They used to eat wheat, barley, pulses, peas, rice, linseed and mustard. These were the main ingredients of their food. So they had used grain also, they had used pulses also. Okay. And then you have the cattle, sheep, goat, buffaloes were reared. They used to keep these animals, so definitely they must be consuming the meat of these animals. So they were consuming meat also. They used to collect fruits, especially bear you know, juju. This was mostly found in that area. These people were mostly eating, we can say fruits also, bear, Hindi word. Then fish, they used to have fish in their food. And antelope is the similar to what we can say deer. So these were the food which was found in the area. So all we have covered in part 2. We have covered these many points. So metals which were used by them. Then we have seen about what type of crops were made in that area, what type of food they used to have, and how from where they used to get the different material. We have discussed these many things. So if you have doubt, you can contact me. Till the time, take care. Thank you.